Wow, what did the Easter Bunny leave you? Wow.
Open.
Oh, well, got a little opened, huh? I should try it. Tell me how it tastes.
You should not try it. You can try it for later, after you eat your dinner.
And what are you going to do?
Eat it. Oh.
I take a little... You put it all in your mouth? The whole thing? You pig. How does it taste? Good?
That's garbage.
Yep. Oh, is there more? Or is that it? Oh. You should... You're gonna laugh.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, I think I see some right there.
Easter. I see another bracelet. The Easter bunny eats it all over here.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna try to eat that one later? Or now?
Wait.
Oh, okay.
After I eat my dinner. Don't eat it?
After I eat my dinner.
Then I'm going to eat it. Look! And it's a coat hanger too. On your finger.
Yeah.
And it looks like an umbrella.
I like a carrot, maybe too.
Yeah.
You take off the wrapper though. Want to turn on the light, honey?
That's the one doing that. And this,
Oh, there's more. You better look in there.
I see some more. I found two.
Wow. Oh, what's that? What's that, Izzy? Look, that box. What is it? Look. What's that box? Look underneath. Look. Go down. Look at it. What is that?
Something waffle.
It's a chocolate egg.
Let's open it.
Oh, well, first pick up the rest of your stuff. Wow.
I'm going to put it here.
Okay.
Because this is an Easter time.
Morning, Logan.
The morning.
They better go up there. I think I see some more up there.
And the Easter bunny came out there too.
Hey, you must have had fun with your playset.
Yeah. The Easter place. I see my Barbie ball.
Or what?
My Barbie doll.
Oh, wow.
Well, it's not Barbie doll.
A little dollhouse.
Yeah.
And
that neat?
Yeah. It's
Wow.
more treats.
Oh.
There's still more. They eat the bunny and laid it all over it. And it's messy. I think they saw it clean.
Are you cleaning?
Yeah. So the either bunny can't step on it. I want it. Because these are mine.
Wow, this will take you long enough. Eat all.
Let's look in here and see what it is. Wow.
Wow.
Let's take a look in here.
Oh,
Wow.
your stuff fell out.
Ooh, that's tiny. Teddy.
Jelly,
No,
beans.
jelly.
No, they're jelly, sour things.
Oh,
Yeah,
jelly.
I like sour.
Sour candy.
Sour candy. This is so candy. Going to go to my house. No, there's nothing in there.
Oh, well, you better continue down the road. There you go.
Thank you.
Guess it's a good thing
Look,
you had
I
her big
bet
basket.
some more.
Yeah.
Wow, you probably trying to make you fat.
Look, eat this stuff.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Yours and mine and Daddy.
Yeah. Wow. Yummy.
Let's try this curtain.
Oh, wow. Wow. I don't even remember getting that.
Yeah, but I have a Cinderella.
Not like that. You don't.
No? You open that for me?
Yep.